Hello everyone, we're about to close the first day of trading of September. I thought I'd get this video out to you all talking about the top 3 stocks I plan to buy or have bought for the month of September. So it's a good day for me. I'm up 1.5% today. There you go, after hours. We are in after hours now. And the day has ended. So let's go to my top 3 stocks and talk about why I'm buying them. So number 1 is going to be Ford. So Ford is trading at $9.46, which is a lot lower than what my average cost, $10.71. So I have bought this morning. I bought I think 20 shares, and I may buy more this month as time goes by. I bought it for $9.49, which is 3 cents off this current price. And the reason why I'm buying this stock is, again, pays a really nice dividend at 4.8, and its price is all-time low, I think, this year. It's all-time low in the last 5 years, it looks like. I have to research that. These charts on Robinhood are not the greatest, but as you can see, it's just trending downward, and I want to get more of these stocks just for the dividend play. I don't believe they're cutting the dividend anytime soon, so it's just getting more value, more stocks at a lower price. So that's number 1 why I'm going with Ford, and I'm now at 152 shares. And again, I say I might even buy more of this throughout this month if it goes down even further. September historically is a selling month. That's what I've read for the stock market. So a lot of the staple companies their stocks may trend down during this month. So if this stock trends out even further, I believe I'll be investing even more into Ford. Number 2 stock is Tesla, right here. Now at 4 shares. I did buy a share this morning at $295. Now it's trading at $289. So even down from this morning, down 4% today. This is another stock. Overall, I'm down 3.63%, but I believe we're hitting the lows in this organization. As a lot of you know, the CEO was, tweeting out some, going private right around here when it hit 379, and then after he announced that he decided to keep Tesla a public company, it started trading down tremendously. So I think this is a good play. I know it has a lot of issues, especially with profitability, and that the reports keep talking about how they're going to run out of money soon. But the reason why I'm getting into it, because obviously I think it's a stock that's on discount, but also I was researching somewhere that Apple is starting to maybe get into Tesla or thinking about purchasing Tesla or being partners with Tesla. So I think if or when that happens, this stock will rebound tremendously. But in the time, did purchase another share of this and may purchase more this month if it keeps trending downward. And then the last stock I bought this morning again is Yum. This is the parent company of like Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, basically these food, food restaurant service companies. KFC is another division. Wanted to get into this stock just real fast. I just bought one real fast, but we'll buy more this month. One is to more diversify my portfolio. Right now it's heavy on tech and cannabis companies and a little bit financial. So I want to get into like the restaurant, consumer foods, fast food chain type companies. So that's one reason why I think about getting into Yum. But another reason, and actually the reason, is because of its partnership this year with the NFL. So they are partnering as official pizza sponsors for the NFL this year, overtaking last year and previous years was Papa John's. Papa John's going all their own troubles with their CEO also tweeting out and saying other stuff. I don't want to talk about that. But for Yum, they are being a partner this year, and I think it's already had a really great year so far, year to date, up 16%, and in the last 3 months, it's climbed pretty good from here. I guess the last month, 6%. Over last 3 months, 5.24%. But in general, I predict that this stock will continue to increase because of the NFL sponsorship. So I foresee Pizza Hut sales increasing. So yeah, definitely will be purchasing more of the stock this year as funds come about. But those are the top 3 ones that I plan to really buy. And then one notable one that I'm very closely looking and I haven't pulled the trigger on is Aurora Cannabis. Again, those who have watched my other video know my portfolio is really big on cannabis stocks. So here's another one. This is a recent addition to Robinhood, so it wasn't around when I bought all the other stocks. And it hasn't increased as much, so today it only grew 1.8%, while as you can see these other Canopy Growth, Kronos Group, and Tilray increased double digits today, right? So I own Canopy Growth and Kronos. I don't own Tilray, but it's a new to Robinhood stock, so really thinking about getting into it. Here are all the new ones, but I'm just a real big believer in the cannabis industry. October is going to be a really important time. That's when the legalization of cannabis in Canada will become hitting the markets and hitting retail stores. That whole process is supposed to happen in October, so these are a lot. You start hearing more and more about companies like alcoholic beverage companies investing into the cannabis because of this change in legislation. So very much believe this is going to happen. So definitely watching this. Right now it's trending 33% increase over the past month. So I don't know if this is a good time to do it, but at one point, if it was available on Robinhood, which it wasn't at the time, this the $4.10 mark, I would have bought a lot into this, but it wasn't. And so we are here now. So I just need to do a little bit more research into Aurora Cannabis to see if this is something I do want to jump into, because October is coming, and I just see these stocks continue to increase. Okay, so that's it for my video. These are the top 3 stocks I definitely will plan to buy: Ford, Tesla, and Yum, and with Aurora Cannabis as a possible if I think they will also continue. It's just interesting that the other stocks continue to have double-digit gains, right? Canopy, Kronos, and Tilray, but Aurora doesn't. So that's something I need to figure out why that's happening. All right. Please comment on my channel if you have any questions on any of the 3 stocks I picked today.